Behind the lines, please, in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Welcome to match number 30, Popcorn, as notes go flying just about everywhere possible on the Red Alliance side of the field, including out of the Red Alliance side of the field. They'll still put up 21 points there in the autonomous period, and possibly counting. 24 there on blue. Score settles at 26 there for red. They'll go up 2 points advantage as drivers now take the controls. Over to the sources we go yet one more time before our lunch break here on the Johnson division. Texas Torque back to the wall. Human player feeds that bot in quick order, and Torque will pass that note along to their alliance partners, Titan Robotics from Virginia, who are hanging out near the subwoofer. The note then gets ignored. Titan runs back down the field to grab their own notes from in front of the Red Alliance speaker. Now over to the blue source, kind of scattered, finding the best note for whatever strategy they have cooking at this time. They are leading by just 1 point, but they are leading no less. Minute and a half to play. Both alliances played their cooperation bonus. Now the speaker gets amplified over here on red, and a really long dramatic pause. We'll see if they can actually get a note to connect during that period. There we go. 5 points, 5 more, so that's a 10-point offensive cycle there for the amplified speaker. And then a note gets jammed inside the Cyberhawks machine as they lift their elevator. These notes this year are just foam rings, folks, so they're pretty malleable, and they can get stuck in all sorts of places in a robot at inopportune times. A little under a minute to play, and still anybody's game. 3 points separate your alliances. Blue just amplified their speaker to try and extend that lead just a little bit. Let's see if they can get one more note during this cycle. That looks good. There's a little bit of a grace period after the lights turn off, and I think they got that one in time. 66 points on the board for red. They're chasing for a Melody bonus ranking point at this point, regardless of the match result, as they just need 2 more notes scored anywhere in the Ambler speaker to scoop up the Melody bonus. This would be the 21st requisite note if one of these can land, and that one's going to be good. So that ranking point secured by Husky Robotics out of Naperville, Chicago suburbs there. 6 seconds left to play here in the match. 3 points separate your alliances, but we got several robots airborne for each side. That's going to be all 3 on blue, including 1 spot. 84 points to the Red Alliance's 79. All 4 available ranking points scooped up by those Blue Alliance teams. A very well played match all around. 1 ranking point for each of the Red Alliance teams. And now, go